Alrighty guys, so back at it again. I legit just did the next coat. I'm 3 cans in, and this truck needs way more. Like 3 cans ain't gonna cut her, but she's starting to look really good though. Let's take a look at that. So like I just bomb rushed this can, the last cans, just to get as much coverage as possible because I just need to get it on there, layered on there. I can always do touch-up stuff later. Went to Napa, they're all out of stock. So they said they'll have some Monday, 5 cans available around 1 o'clock. But actually, I'm really impressed. This stuff works really good. I don't know if I already showed you guys a can, but this stuff's pretty cool. If you guys got a local Napa though, this stuff works really nice. Now I don't know what the price for this is because I didn't pay for it. I bought, like Luke did, because this is just his job. I'm just doing a little bit of work on it, but I'm actually really impressed. Like even though considering how bad this frame looked, like it actually did a pretty well covered up most of everything. Like it kind of has that bed liner feel to it. But yeah, I just kind of bomb rushed it, just get as much coverage I could. I'm not looking for, I know there's gonna be some spare spots, but that's what the cans are for tomorrow. So I won't have a lot of hours into this, so I'll probably only have like two hours into this truck tomorrow, maybe, depends. But other than that though, it's coming out pretty good. I just need to clean this back all out when it's dry tomorrow and spray, but very critical, dude. You need to like mask things off. Like I personally, I was like kind of like it's a little overkill, but dude, you believe it or not, you need it because this shit flies everywhere. Like this whole air hose got glittered with in the valve, but it's whatever, dude. It's rubber. It'll fucking come off. It's gonna be bolted on the truck and it's gonna get dirt on it and everything. It's like it's whatever. I don't know if this is gonna be so much a show truck, but I don't know. I know it's going to be used to pull show vehicles, but this is the undercarriage. You're not going to see it. There's going to be a big flatbed on the top. So it should be pretty sweet. So I'm just adjusting the GoPro. But yeah, that's basically it on this today's video. It was weird. I heard like a little mouse squeak. I'm here by myself. It's kind of hear all kinds of weird stuff here. I'm working on this guy right here, this forklift, old forklift. I don't even know what year it is. It's just old Caterpillar, I believe. Apparently has like a Plymouth like flathead on here. I'm not familiar with this motor at all. This is different. This is new to me. So I gotta take this apart. I don't really want to, but I have to. And then yeah, I'm gonna get to it. But for today's video, this is it. Doing the truck job. Yeah, I'll fucking pick up this video on some other agenda, whatever that means. I don't know. I'm so new to YouTube. It's like I don't even know what to say, how to say. Like, yeah, it's fucking weird. Whatever, dude. But anyway, get the gist. Now I'm just kind of talking a lot, but. Alright, sweet. You guys comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. This is my first video. I'll probably upload it tonight. Whether that matters, whether real time for you guys, when you're gonna see it at a different time. But I'm gonna upload it tonight. Edit it up if I can find editing software. But yeah. Alright, you guys take it easy. Alrighty, so gonna start working on the forklift. Just finished up doing that bed. Or that frame for a little whatever cans I had left. So from the last video I was saying I need to pull the carburetor, the starter, and the fuel pump. Well, forklifts don't have a lot of room in them to work with. I've worked on forklifts at my work, but this one in particular is kind of an ancient dinosaur, so we'll see how it goes. I've never actually worked on something this old. But all right, I'll keep you guys tuned, and I'll show you Yeah, I wish I could show you through the process. I'm no professional, but I don't have the equipment to. But you get the point. So I'm gonna start pulling off the carburetor. Alrighty, so I got everything out, which is pretty cool. The starter is actually pretty caked. Not like caked, but you know, like it's fucked. It's fried. So the ear on the here on the starter was literally broken off. Actually looks like someone actually has re-welded it, which is actually kind of funny because it's really hard to weld cast. You gotta heat that fuck out of it, from my understanding is. So we got everything laid out, forklift's done for now. Now Luke can order some parts, which is pretty cool. Now I can go home and make dinner. Oh shit, got my tools. I use my own tools. Simply just because it saves more time. When trying to go through someone's toolbox, it's kind of difficult. You don't know what they have. And when you're on a time crunch, it's faster to use your own, and I preferably like to use my own anyway. This is my ghetto toolbox. It works, serves its purpose. I do have a nicer toolbox for sure. By all means, I have a way nicer toolbox that works, but I use that every day. So, yeah. So it's gonna say, video is kind of pointless. I don't know. I just figured to show you guys what what we're doing on the forklift. Kind of a short one. I'll make another video doing something else, and I gotta do an explaining video to explain everything to you guys as far as at the shop, what do we do at the shop kind of thing. I'll just have to tell you in another video. Like, I want to just talk about it now, but it's so hard to do, so easy to do, so I like to talk. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Comment, subscribe. I need to get some tripods and stuff, kind of get the videos going pretty good. So yeah, tomorrow we'll kick off back on the truck. I'll be working on an old 750. I don't know my Fords. I'm not a Ford guy. I only know Toyotas. Like, it's no tomorrow. I want to learn more. I'll learn more about Toyotas. But anyway, subscribe to me. Please subscribe. I need some subscribers. I'm a loner. It's the first day, starting out, Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Alright, so doing a video real quick, just kind of recap here. So the white truck, the Ford 750, I did not have any more content for that. It's a long story. I will explain real quick. So basically, the customer that owned the truck, it was like a $14,000 job, right? So he was gonna use it for commercial because he's shipping cars. I wouldn't say shipping, but he more like takes cars from Canada to Washington back and forth. Now, he bought this truck in Oregon, and I guess DOT declined it because it's considered it's just too old for him to even use the truck for commercial use. So for him to export cars, he wouldn't be able to do it, and that's just kind of his business. So now he was stuck with it. So kind of laid on Luke's lap, and kind of lost some money on that job, a lot of money. But within the trade, basically, he was willing to actually give him the truck, which is very awesome. So he gave him the truck for 14 grand. So it cut him a little bit of a deal for his work. So he did get paid for that technically. So it's just taken off the chunk of cash off the truck. And then he has to do side work for him, basically kind of for free, but just to work for the truck. So they had to do a little peace agreement, do some fancy paperwork saying that he will work and do this amount, these jobs to compensate for the cost of the truck. And it worked out great because now we can actually use that truck for business purposes. We can tow stuff, and not only that, we can basically take it places long, far away, you know, good, reliable diesel truck. But the only thing it has wrong with it about is an injector issue. So that just needs new O-rings. But other than that, that was about it. Other than kingpins, and it needs rear drive brakes, which are not a big deal, but adds up. He just did kingpins on it, like I already said, and yeah. So that's where the truck stands now. I did finish that truck. The only reason why I did not do the video on that because I found out the next day that the guy can't use the truck anymore, and I think I bought 5 more cans on order through Napa, and I sprayed the rest of it on there, and then yeah, so truck's mint. So I did it all on the frame. Now if I'm looking back at it, if I would have known beforehand, I probably would have put some more TLC into it just because I'm picky. Now that it's his truck, we could easily put a lot more time into it, make it look nice, maybe even sandblasted it at a shop even, and then painted it. But it is what it is. He was on a budget, and he really wasn't paying us to do it. He was just kind of hoping we'd do it. So it was just kind of like, get it done quick because we're not going to make any money off of that section of the job, because he originally wanted a flatbed. So that's kind of where it stands. It's his truck now. I could do another video if you guys are interested in seeing the truck now. It does have a hitch receiver on it that Luke just kind of made real quick just to pull his trailer around, which is pretty sweet. It does have trailer brakes hooked up inside, so he doesn't have to use air brakes. Now he could use air brakes if his trailer has air brakes, but then again he needs a CDL. I forget the rule, but he doesn't need a CDL as far as I know. So right now he just has to transfer the truck into his name, and since it's from Oregon, he has to pay the tax from it being from Oregon to Washington. I think it was like something crazy like $1,500 or $1,200 just to get it back in his name, or just to get it in his name legally with the title. So it's kind of expensive, but it's part of owning a truck. So yeah, I figured I'd let you guys know, and I did get the forklift finished. Can't remember if I showed you guys that in the video. It's been a couple weeks since I'm picking this video back up, just kind of doing editing because I didn't really know what to do with it yet. So I'm now just doing the editing now, and I figured I'd make this quick little clip to let you guys know what's going on and why there's not a part 3 to this video. Maybe some other video will show you guys the truck itself. And yeah, so please comment, subscribe once again. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Kind of open to make any videos. If you guys are not too picky about what you watch, be all on me. I'm gonna do whatever I want. I'm gonna fuck a video, just about anything that suits me. But hey, if you guys are open for wild content, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Tomorrow we're gonna go hiking. I might make a video on that. It'd be pretty cool. Just only like I think it was like a 2-mile hike, but anyway, comment, subscribe. See you guys the next time.